Now, do make sure you check out those videos with those links I've just put up before you. Before you see me walking around the property in the middle of winter, this is a brief introductory voiceover. I am posting these photos of our garden last summer, so do look the other way when you see the mess coming up in just over a minute from now. I'm also excited to show you our new adult toy in the last two pictures. It will help out as I get older. That's why I've put those photos up, to show you just how beautiful it would normally look. Our perennial gardens get cut back to ground level over winter. We are presently constructing a new garden bed for more perennials, which will become mother plants and used in the production process to sell later on to retail nurseries. We'd like you to follow the plantings and re-emergence of these plants in spring. We'd like to show you the progress from depressed winter gardens to mass colour moving into next summer. Let us know what you think. Should I just stick to travelling videos or do more on gardening? Let us know in the comments. As you can see, it's obviously winter time. It's freezing. I don't know, I think I've got about 3 layers on. I've got this thing on here, then I've got this wind protector thing, then there's this brown one, and then there's the shirt, and of course the singlet. Love gardening, and often gardening means working in weather that's not favourable. Sitting out here, as mentioned before, on a day where the temperature is 8 degrees with a wind chill factor of 2 degrees. That's part of the fun of growing plants. It has to be a passion. It's been our passion all our life. What I'm going to do is make a series of videos and tell a story about how we started growing plants, why we started growing plants, and how from being a complete novice, we grew a very successful gardening business, a garden centre. And whilst we've sold the business, we still own the real estate. We retired, and after working 45 years, 7 days a week, including Christmas Day, Good Friday, you name it, we started our travels. So we have a passion for travelling after being confined 7 days a week working in the nursery industry. And so what I'm now doing is making videos about travelling and gardening. Now, I'm a lousy YouTube creator, and I'd love people to tell me how to make better videos. So if you're on board, I'm going to make a series. I hope you'll stay with me. I'm going to tell the story how we started growing plants back in 1973, 1974, and how from no training, no formal training, that developed into a very successful garden centre. So I hope you'll follow me on the journey by giving me a like and subscribing, and along the way, hopefully I'll start making better videos. I've got a lot of travel videos out there, very few views, but they're in my playlist if you want to have a look at those. Anyway, look, I'll leave it at that for the moment. So I hope you'll join me on this journey of mine, showing you how to grow plants with no knowledge. That's how we started. And believe me, you'll be surprised where you can end up. All right, thanks for watching.